Good morning, kitties. Where's Charlie? Here he comes. Everyone's getting their breakfast. Molly and Halle, no! They're being ornery again. Molly, go eat breakfast. Get happy. Enjoy your day, okay? Poor Halle. Enjoy your day. I'm sorry your roommate's mean. Enjoy your day, Felicity. I'm sorry your roommates are rude to each other. Good morning, everyone. Ready to go out for breakfast? Good morning, Atlee. Good morning, Ember. Good morning, Harlow. Good morning, Dove. Those are empty. Those are empty. Head on out. Go on. Good morning, Bridgett. Maybe Bridgett will go to the correct stall tomorrow since she was last out. Go eat some hay. Good morning. Good morning, bantams. Good morning, honey. Gonna stay inside today? Don't stay out too long, buddy. It's cold out here. Good morning, big chickens. Sorry, those rocks are frozen to the ground, so I can't move them. Well, the girls wasted a ton of feed yesterday. I tried to be nice and leave it in here, and now it's just all over the ground. Mixed in with their poop, so that's fun. What are you doing, little lady? I think this is Esmerelda. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Apparently she's fine. Sorry. Maybe she was trying to protect this egg, but she also rolled it in a bunch of poop, so that's disgusting. Duck, do you know how hard it is to clean out a water bowl when it's this cold? Rude. Which I guess I can't be too frustrated because I did take away their baby pool. I do have another water bowl over there for him though, so hopefully that will fix the problem. All right, go ahead and get clean. Ladies, I'm done cleaning your coop. You can go back in. Good morning, buddy. Dwayne's got a clean cage and his booty sprayed and some breakfast. Have a good day, buddy. Hey, Charlie. I'm coming to see if you have water that's not frozen. What do you think about this yucky cold weather, Harlow? Looks like you've got some breakfast in your hair. How are you doing, Dove? Having a good morning? How are you doing, Ember? Wishing I had some treats. Maybe I'll bring some treats out in a little bit. Just trying to get into my pockets. Sorry. Charlie's coming along to check on the cows. How are you doing, Atlee? Got some snow frozen on your face. Were you rubbing around on the snowy area? That green area over there, huh? There you go. How are you doing, Bridgett? Did the leaves you like fall? Maybe. Okay. These two are being smart and staying in the barn. Charlie, you should be more like your siblings. Are you being nice to each other? Felicity or Halle, is Molly being nice to you? Just coming to give you some warm water. Looks like most of the bantams are making a good choice and staying in where it's nice and warm. And Honey's hanging out up here. Looks like you ate all your food. I'll bring you some more food in just a minute. Here you go, Honey. I wish he would leave his food off of his warmer. You're okay. So he would sit on it. That's nice and warm. You should sit on that. He's still losing all kinds of summer hair, so it's all over everywhere. Looks like a lot of the big chickens are still hanging out in the garden. Got some out here. These ones in here. I'm glad to see that one with hardly any feathers is in here. And we've got these girls eating the mess that was made. We've got another egg up here. This egg. Little lady, you picked a terrible time to be broody. Are you just getting ready to lay an egg? Hopefully so. Lana got Felicity's area all clean, so she's good to go for a while. Luca has Molly and Halle's cleaned up. They are still being grumpy with each other, so we're trying to debate if we need to buy another heater and litter box and separate them, or just let them figure out their differences. Looks like most of the girls are in the garden right now. Gonna get their water refilled. The bantams are all coming out of their coop. They heard me. I'm not bringing any treats. I'm just refilling waters. This little nun had to come see if I was getting treats too. Let's see who all's in here. Oh, only a few. We got another green egg today. The ducks are already dirtying up water. Enjoy it, girls. All right, Dwayne, you made an awful mess. You gonna hop out? We're gonna give an update on Dwayne's booty. Tomorrow will be 2 weeks, and this is how far along it is. It's amazing how good it is. Little scab, and then I would assume when that falls off, we'll be almost all the way healed. Got his cage all cleaned and his booty sprayed. See you after a while, buddy. I think Evie is ready for dinner. We're getting the cats all fed. Here's your hay cubes, girls. Have a good night. Here's your hay cube, Felicity. Have a good night. We'll see you in the morning. We're kind of rushing. We have sports awards to get to. Lennox got honey caught. Nugget's already sleeping. Hey, buddy. I'm putting your food up in your room. See you in the morning, buddy. All right, girls, you ready to go into your stalls? All right, come on. Going in here, Halle. Wrong stall, Bridgett. Going in that one. Good job. Good job, Ember. Please go in, Harlow. Come on. Go on in. She's your buddy. Come on, Dove. I'm gonna bring you treats in just a second. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, good girl. Oh, don't push Ember out. That's not very nice. Come on. Here, you scooch out of the way. Whoops. Come on, Dove. Come on. Go on in there and we'll bring you treats. Good girl. Good girl. Oh. Did Evie scare you? Go on, Harlow. Who's getting her feed? Ember's getting hers. All right, ladies, it's time for bed. Head on in. Can you head on in, ducks? Good job. Good job all the way. Thank you so much. Good night, chickens. We'll see you in the morning. Good night, Bridgett. Good night, Dove. Good night, Ember. Good night, Harlow. Good night, Atlee. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.